Hi guys, today we're going to do unboxing a doll, and it's Stacie. Take care of puppies, and she has thousands of puppies on her dress and cool shoes. Oops. And then we're going to open them up. So let's get unboxing this doll. Open up. I got one thing out. I got the bed out. It's nice. Puppy, poor puppy. Oh no, poor puppy, poor puppy. Hey, there we go. Got you, puppy. Oh, got you. Oh, there we go. You're stuck to Stacie. Oh no! Guys are definitely tied together. What's inside? A orange feeple, a blue feeple, and a purple feeple. I have a purple slide that the puppies can slide down in, and a green bed, also a blue eating bowl, and some black food. And we have Stacie with a puppy that she's walking the puppy. And I also am going to get this Morse things out. I always open that one. Oh, wait. Ah, there we go. And then the other one. There we go. 2 leashes are done. We'll connect those. Oh. And oh, the little things. Oh. We have 2 little cute little bones. I have 2 little funny puppies. I have this like little frisbee that has the puppy prop print. These are all the accessories. So now we're going to get building it. We got the food. And now we have to put the slide in. It looks like I did wrong. And then we have this like bed, which you're going to put like right here so that I can like run onto it. We're going to put the bones and these frisbee right on the shelf. I'm gonna put that right there if it will stay. And these little treats, I'm going to put one in this bowl so they can like run to it and eat it. And then we're going to put the purple one in that one, and then we're going to put the last one in there. There's 2, and now we're going to try to fit that in this big hole. And we have this little food bowl. Food thing. Well, that's where they're going to slide down. Now we have a brush that we're going to put around this handle. Let's see if we can. Now we're going to see if the puppy can slide down. Whee! The puppies can.
Again.
Whee! That was fun. Wait, where's the other puppy? Where's the other puppy? Oh, there he is.
Oh, phew.
Whee! We'll put him up there. And we want to put him here so he's fun. And then we're going to try to take him off the leash so he can have some fun. Okay, this one is going to be Puffy, Ayn, and Chocolate. So the 2 little puppies want to go on the slide down to the 2nd level. So first, the Puffy. Puffy is going first. Woohoo! Puffy loves it. 2nd puppy, One Eye. Woo! He landed on his feet. His bowl is orange. Now for Chocolate. Chocolate is sitting there. Woo! Chocolate fell down. Chocolate is the purple bowl. Now Stacie is going to get the purple leash for chocolate. So we're going to put it on chocolate. We're going to have chocolate has this one because he has the purple ball. And we're going to take Stacie and put it on her hand so she can take chocolate for a walk. Oh, it fell off. There we go. Now chocolate is on the leash. Oh, she's dropping it. Okay, now we're going to have her put chocolate on this. We're going to have him on the bed with the leash because we want him to stay on the bed for a minute. And then we're going to take the blue leash and put it on the puffy dog, because he's puffy, so I call him Puffy. There we go. Oh, there we go. We got the second leash on the Puffy. So now Stacie is going to bring Puffy. Oh, oh! Stacie dropped the leash. Oh, okay, Puffy, go. There we go. We're going to take the leash off, and then we're going to take the leash off so he can have some fun. We'll have Mar put that back together later. That's okay. My puppy listens. Go when I. One eyes is the orange bowl, so I'm gonna give him the pink treat. Here you go, One Eye. That's okay, One Eye. You get this one. Yeah, push it in his mouth. Here you go. Good job, One Eye. So One Eye is on the top while Stacie is petting him, and now Stacie is going to grab the blue brush and put it on him. Brush him. Stay still, One Eye. Good boy. That's a good boy. Now we're going to bring you down right here so we can give him a treat. Okay, stay still. Stay still. Now Stacie has the leash before he run away, so now Stacie is going to let it go and grab him before he runs away. Puffy loves to not listen to Stacie, so he can have a lot of fun. But Stacie catches him faster as she can. There we go. Now Stacie's done with that one. Now the good boy's turn to go. Oh, we got a shot. Okay, that's funny. Nope. Just kidding. But let me get that out so I can pour in some water. Yeah, oh no. Here we go. Lie down. Okay, that was funny. Okay. We're going to pour some. There we go. Slide that back in there. Good. Stay right here. Good boy. Stay still. Okay. Stay still. Good boy. Good boy. Here. I am going to brush. Here you go. Good boy. Stay still. Oh. I'm clumsy. Clumsy me. Brushing the good boy. Brushing the good boy. You're being a great boy. So you get a treat from there. Do, 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 in your mouth. Okay, there you go. I hope you guys like my video. So I love this doll, and I hope you guys will see. I'll see you guys in the next channel. So, bye. I need a little help here.